perspective, Paul, how is being a member of IAMCP of value to partners?
Thanks for that. So I've been with the IAMCP for 8 years here in Seattle, and only taken on the broader role in the last 2 years. And what struck me throughout the first period of time was just how willing partners were to come together and share ideas and build relationships. And we had kind of chapter meetings on a monthly basis, which really all chapters do, around information sharing. And this in Seattle, we have guests like Helene, but also other Microsoft people on a regular basis, where we learn about programs and initiatives and benefits. And these are opportunities to learn that many members don't normally get. We've had some very senior executives present to us. Gabriela did a preview of Inspire with us for us to give her feedback. And so we're kind of very privileged here in Seattle, but across all of IAMCP chapters, there is that knowledge sharing, business sharing, opportunity sharing, and wanting to make connections. And then I became part of the Americas organization and now international. And it really drove home to me what a community of givers this is. We have all these really skilled people. Most of them are CEOs of their companies. Others work for very large companies, and they just give their time to the community, and they give their time to build the P2P connections, but also to share knowledge, to create events that bring members together. We recently had the quarterly partner briefing where we had Dan Truex and Gabriela present, letting members know what the directions are, what the opportunities are. So to me, IAMCP is kind of that both mentorship and community that helps to drive more insights and more knowledge, and certainly more business on an ongoing basis.